Good morning and welcome. This is Gilly Cube. I'm in Queensland, Australia. I was just on my merry way doing this pour. It was for a friend for a commission really, and she just wanted it to be a very abstract landscape. So I'm trying to be mindful of how I layer my colours on here and how I go about swiping and continue on. So I just go with the flow, really layering my colours as you see, and then really hoping that what I have in mind turns out to be effective. This is a 30 by 65 canvas, I believe. I think I remember rightly. So yeah, I enjoyed doing this, and I hope you enjoy seeing it actually evolve.
Branches low like spiral stairs, we climbed into her maiden hair. You feel like you can really fly up there. My hand in his so patiently, we watched from our proud little tree. He hummed a little song to me. Shake. The jet plane filled up all the space. The wheels went up and got so near, the leaves would fall like paper tears.
Poured those colours, tilted, sort of keeping mindful how I want it in my head. Whether that turns out is another thing. So that was just pouring onto that soft plastic file divider, was just acrylic paint just mixed with Floetrol only, so it gives me a few cells. I am using a white and black cell activator, as they call it, or paint to swipe, so as to get a different effect in there. So let's see how this one turns out. It is really coming along nicely, and you'll see when when it's dry that the effects that came out on it. It might not be for some, but she absolutely loves it, so that's all that matters to me, and it goes with what she, or the area that she wanted to put it in, so she tells me so. Very happy with that. Hope you enjoyed that sort of quick, easy, very abstract landscape pour, and now you see that it, you can see so much in it now, and I really am happy with this one. So I hope you like it. Until next time, take care. Bye for now.
I just wanna go out and walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. You don't have to tell me anything that's new. I just wanna go out and walk with you. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine, sailing over pavement with our two outlines. I like to see the shape you're in from time to time. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine. I just wanna see the same things you can see, understand the meaning on a new degree. Maybe that could happen when you're next to me. I just wanna see the same things you can see. Go out on a walk with you. Could be 20 minutes or an hour or two. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. I just wanna go out on a walk with you.
This was the wax paper slide. It come out, is the word ethereal, like somebody said, oh, that's AI, but you can actually watch me do it. I didn't resin this one, I've just varnished it. Look, it's give it just a nice protective coating and a nice sheen to it. But yeah, just some of the parts in it, they definitely do look like it was created with AI technology, but it's actually, well, you'll see the video, so the video is up now, but super happy just taking that easy dip technique just that little bit further. This piece, couldn't be happier. Ooh.